Hey guys, what's up? Rodney McCormick here with iAudio. Got a tutorial here for you today about sidechain compression. Let's check it out. What's up guys? We are back here in Logic Pro X. I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get your kick drum to pop out just a little bit more, maybe get a little more energy, a little more bottom end. It's called sidechain compression. I'm going to play a little bit of this back and let you hear what we're working with, and we'll go from there. All right, check this out. All right, cool. So you can see there the kick, it's sounding pretty good. Got a lot of energy on the bottom end. It's got a lot of punch. I'm going to show you how we got there. Okay, so if you go to the kick track up here, see kick out 2. You can see I've got it sent through bus 2, which is feeding a compressor. And I've actually got a channel EQ going into that to make it activate at a certain frequency, but we'll talk about that in a minute. Okay, so I'm going to bypass this compressor and play it and let you hear what that sounds like. All right, let's turn that back on. Okay, so as you can see, that definitely adds a little more character, a little more punch, a little more bottom end. What's cool about this is that if I send more, the compressor will actually work a little bit harder. Let's shorten this up a little bit here. Okay, so you can see what the compressor's doing. So you're getting about 2 to 3 dB worth of reduction there. But if I send a little more, I'm going to over exaggerate this so you can see. You'll obviously get more volume out of it. And also, one thing you can do to take it a step farther is you can throw a channel EQ. And by the way, the plugins that I'm using are all stock plugins. You can do this in any of your DAWs that you're working with. As long as you can get an auxiliary thing going, you should be fine. But what I've done is I've taken 60 hertz and I've boosted it about 2 dB. And what that's going to do is make that compressor react to that frequency range a little bit stronger. So I'll bypass that and then put it back in. And then once again, you can feed as much of this in as you want to. So let me ride that back in and let you hear the difference. So as you can see, you are getting a little bit of a volume boost, but really you're just getting more energy and more punch. Thanks guys for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Also, if you want to know how to get your mixes started out on the right foot, I've got a free guide down below. You can click the link and that'll take you right to it. And also, I've got a link for my website at iaudio.online. If you got any questions about mixing or mastering or recording in general, please feel free to hit me up in the comments below. And also, you can reach me directly on that website. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Once again, like I said, if you did, please subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. Just keep making music.